Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 12 Stonefield Place in Honeoye Falls, a charming, quality-built Victorian home.
This is an amazing property at a terrific value. So let's take a tour. Upon entering this special home, this spacious foyer features a beautiful staircase and opens to all rooms on the first floor.
This beautiful eat-in kitchen features wood cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances, and opens to a fireplace family room, all with deck access. Just off the kitchen, serve your family and friends from a wet bar, which opens to this entertainment-sized dining room with crown molding and architectural detailing. The first floor also features a spacious living room or first floor bedroom, plus a powder room and laundry, while an expansive lower level provides great additional living space with room for a wine cellar and storage.
The second floor features two spacious bedrooms, a full bathroom with a cathedral ceiling, and this elegant master suite with a walk-in closet and a spa bathroom. This home is situated on a beautifully landscaped half-acre village lot and features stunning architectural details. This Victorian gem features a welcoming wraparound porch reminiscent of yesteryear.
Enjoy entertaining and relaxing from this expansive deck with a hot tub overlooking the scenic backyard.
Here we are in the charming village of Honeoye Falls.
It has great restaurants, shops, and of course, the famous Honeoye Falls.
This is beautiful Menin Ponds Park.
This is the largest park in Monroe County with over 2,500 acres of scenic ponds, groomed hiking trails, and pavilions for picnics. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 12 Stonefield Place in Honeoye Falls.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.